So right here we got the POPBABIES smoothie blender and some Ensure milk. I just finished my workout and I'm gonna make myself a smoothie with some frozen dragon fruit and frozen watermelon. The POPBABIES blender right here works with frozen fruits, works with ice, and it also blends seeds. So this thing is powerful. Really nice portable blender here, and I love it because it's easy to clean. And this cup right here is dishwasher safe. You can drink right out of it once you're done using it. So we're gonna go ahead and use it right now and show you guys how it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some fruits in here. So okay, dragon fruit. So the nice thing about frozen fruits is that it allows you to have a very cold drink. At the same time, you're not diluting the drink with too much water or ice. So no dilution, but nice and cold. So again, these are solid. They are frozen fruits. So we're gonna blend it with some Ensure milk right here. You can put water or any other kind of milk, whatever works for you. I like the Ensure because it has 9 grams of protein and 220 calories, perfect for me after a workout session. So here's the Ensure milk, and we're just going to pour it into our POPBABIES portable blender here. Oh man, that looks so good. So there we go. So let's go ahead and cap this up. And all I gotta do is push the button right here and watch this thing blend. As it blends, it pulls down and mixes everything, so I don't need to do anything. I just let it blend, and it's so powerful. You can see from the dragon fruit right there that it's making a vortex that allows a good mixture of everything, and that allows it to pull down every bit and blend it. Not just the bottom piece being blended, but everything's being blended. You can usually pop this off right here, and you can take this bottle and just drink right out of it. And just watch this. Look how beautiful the consistency of your smoothie is. It's just so smooth. So you can drink from here, but just to show you how consistency is, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. And it's so much drink, right? It fits a cup perfectly right there. POPBABIES. Nice. And this thing cleans very easy. All you gotta do is put some soapy water in there and just run it through one blend cycle and it'll clean up. Again, this thing just goes right on, boom, like that. And you can charge it while it's blending. Oh yeah.